welcome to Not Just for Show. This is a funky conversation in COVID times, quarantine times, or lockdown times. We bring to you matters that concern the country, and I would like to begin with one of my favorite poets, Rabindranath Tagore, when he said, "Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake." We have to, as a nation, decide which is the freedom that we are guaranteed in such stressful times, and which is the freedom that we are not to opine about, whether in social media or otherwise, as good citizens of this country. We have with us two very eminent guests today. It is my pleasure and privilege to welcome to Not Just for Show the Maharaja of Tripura, Maharaja Pradyut Kishore Manekaji. बहुत स्वागत आपका. And I also welcome Lovita J.R. Morang, who's an author, blogger, and into films as well. Namaste. And welcome to the program.
Namaste from Northeast. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Nidhi.
I would like to begin by asking you, Maharaja Pradyut. Pradyut, tell me, how do you look at the organization that you run in these stressful times? When will it be business as usual, according to you?
I think the most important thing right now is for all of us to be patient. There are many things which are outside our own control. This, you read out Rabindranath Tagore ji's poem, but this poem is not only meant for India. I think the entire humanity, the entire planet is at war footing. People have lost a lot more lives in Europe than compared to even Asia, though it started from China. The fact is that right now, I run two organizations. One is, of course, my business organization, which is directly related to tourism service sector. And there is nothing we can do if the planes are not flying, if the states are sealed, and if the people are too scared, frankly, to travel. There is nothing we can do right now. So we have to see how it plays out. Regarding my other organization called the TIPRA, the Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance, we have started helping people in the villages, in Tripura specifically, giving them rice, giving them dal, giving them some salt, some dry fish, because that's a staple diet there. And above that, there are a lot of migrant workers from Tripura and Northeast, which are stuck in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Delhi. And what we have done is we've started helplines. We've started even directly transferring money. Now, this is money which we have collected individually. We have not taken any government help. And directly transferring money into their account so they can buy vegetables, or we provide them all the substance. We have just set it up again in Shillong yesterday. We are hopeful that it will happen in Guwahati. But the fact is right now that our people should feel that we have not let them down. Mental fight is the need of the hour, as well as the social and economic fight.
As you just said, Pradyut, I also saw a few pictures of Agartala market and social distancing. I now like to bring in Lovita and ask her. Lovita, tell me, what does it look like to you in Northeast? How are you looking at things as they are rolling out in times of pandemic?
Lockdown 17 day, and it's 4 more days to go, but we cannot go simply out like that. You said Tagore's mind with a fearless mind, but we need to fear. Fear is the only cure now, and it's a preventive measure to be inside the house and stay home, save life. This way we are doing good to society, to the world, people overall. But from the place I'm here in the confinement, the comfort zone of my house, I am helping villages. They would call me up. They said they don't have food to eat. They cannot go out. So I was initially I didn't know what to do. Suddenly got an idea. I fixed a shop where people can come and buy the essential items like rice and dal and soap and the basic, things they need. I don't want anyone to go to bed hunger. At least today, I don't know about tomorrow. At least I'm going out of my way to help them. At least financially, I'm a little bit sound. I'm by the grace of God, I'm all well. I mean, God has gifted me everything, and I'm in a blissful state, so I can help everyone from here. So this way I feel blessed, and the situation here is like, everybody is like now today I understood what nature can do, right? I mean, here nobody's everybody's inside the house and trying. I've never seen people helping each other like this. I have been helping people since my, I started early acting film in when I was 16. Since then I've been helping, but the help is so universal, love is so universal. इसलिए मैंने कविता भी लिखा, love is like pain, pandemic, love is also pandemic, and so when I get the aroma of my neighbor from my neighbor's kitchen, aromatic, it's just like love is endemic. So I'm turning all this crisis, the crisis into
So you're going to have
romantic.
coffee with her? Huh? The aroma of coffee, tea, or what? I hope it's not
बना के रखते पहले बोलते तो मैं बना के virtually पिला देते.
Achha,
So
virtually, okay. It's all AI
Yeah.
type. I'd like to ask you, Pradyut here, as she said, strength, and she also spoke of nature. So the positives are being seen, there is less pollution. If we talk of Italy, there's less pollution globally. And you see animals out on the streets as never before, and you wake up to the noise of birds instead of horns and honking. So how do you look at nature, and how do you look at this side of the pandemic?
You'll have to be slightly mindful when we say that, oh, look, the pollution has come down and so on and so forth. I do believe that it is important for all of us to collectively look at the nature and environment together, but not by forcing people out of their livelihood. So yes, I have no problem if a large-scale ferrosilicon factory, which consumes 80% of our power, shuts down for a few days. But I have a bit of a problem if the people who are helplessly working there are left without food. We talk about dolphins coming to Italy, but we also should be mindful that there are thousands of street dogs which are now without any food. So it cannot be black and white. I do think that this pandemic will make us more conscious about how we live in as a society, in terms of hygiene, in terms of social manners, upkeep. It is also very important that we come back and realize that a lot of these pandemics are created because of humans. And the nature has told us that there is a way of balancing things. My point is that how do we counter this? Can we come out of this with positivity, or can we come out of this with complete negativity? There are enough sharks who are there in the medical field who will say, "Oh, this is the worst ever. You need to invest in medicine and health, otherwise you're doomed." There are enough sharks which say that no, if you आप अगर गौमूत्र ले लोगे या कुछ और कर लोगे तो आप ठीक हो जाओगे. कोई कहता है कि हमारे सिस्टम में नहीं लगता, कोई कहता है कि गर्मी में नहीं आएगी. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है कि आप इस विश्व में हम एक्सपर्ट्स नहीं हैं. एक्सपर्ट्स की जो राय है वो लेकर चले, और जहां में एक्सपर्ट्स ज्यादा बोल रहे हैं उनको भी आप इतना सीरियसली नहीं लिए. एक्सपर्ट्स की राय को भी आपको बैलेंस करना चाहिए. सोसाइटी
जैसे आपने कहा,
एक पहिए में सोसाइटी नहीं चल सकती है. तो कंप्लीटली वन वे नेचर वे नहीं होगा, कंप्लीटली इंडस्ट्रियल वे नहीं होगा, कंप्लीटली मेडिकल नहीं होगा, कंप्लीटली सर्विस नहीं होगा, कंप्लीटली लेबर नहीं होगा. हमको बैलेंस व्यू लेके चलना है. इसके लिए वी शुड नॉट गेट एक्साइटेड. वी शुड कीप आवर पर्सनल पॉलिटिकल डिफरेंसेस असाइड एंड थिंक अबाउट हाउ टू मूव अहेड एज अ सोसाइटी. सोसाइटी में सब रहते हैं, जानवर, इंसान, बर्ड्स सब रहते हैं, इंसेक्ट सब रहते हैं, नदी रहता है, हम लोग सब रहते हैं. हम सबको एक संग होकर आगे बढ़ना है.
बहुत अच्छा आपने कहा. ये मैं शुरू से यही कहती आई हूँ कि the earth belongs to them as well. एक ह्यूमन बीइंग सोचता है कि ये मेरी जमीन है, मेरा आसमान है, मेरा ही सब कुछ है. However, I still would like to digress with you that we need to have a national medical health policy in place, which most nations till today have not got. So a lot of what you said is true, and a lot of it will go in healthcare.
Nidhi, the government just won the Lok Sabha in 2019 on defense. We spend more money on tanks and fighter jets than we spend on
cannonballs. Yes, perfect.
And you won the election. So when you say that we need it, the same people voted बिकॉज आज तो कोई पाकिस्तान के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा है ना, आज तो हम सब अपने बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। इसके लिए मैं कहता हूं कि
जिंदा रहेंगे तो बात
अपना
करेंगे ना किसी और के बारे में।
पॉलिटिक्स को पीछे रखना पड़ेगा।
बिल्कुल।
हर चीज में इंडिया इतना पॉलिटिकल हो चुका है, आप टीवी देखेंगे तो पॉलिटिक्स है, हर चीज में धर्म है, हर चीज में जाति है। तो आप ये सब ये किसने लाया है? ये कोई तो सवेरे उठकर जो दूध बेचता है, जो ऑफिस जाता है, जो अपना दुकान खोलता है, वो बैठकर तो पाकिस्तान के बारे में नहीं सोचता है ना। ये तो हमारे नेताओं ने हमारे, और ये सब पार्टी में हमारे सर में ड्रिल करके रखा है। और
बिल्कुल।
अगर हम
और लोविटा,
इस के बाद
हाँ,
सोचा
जैसे आप,
तो हमारे लिए अच्छा रहेगा।
हाँ बिल्कुल लोविटा, यहाँ पे मुझे एक बहुत हंसी की बात याद आ रही है कि सरकार जब कहती है डिमोनेटाइजेशन किया तो सबने कहा सरकार ने सड़कों पे लगा दिया, हमें खड़ा कर दिया। अब सरकार कह रही घरों में रहो, तो लोगों से घरों में नहीं रहा जाता। तो इसको आप कैसे देखती हैं जो एडोलेसेंट्स पे बीत रहा है इस समय? अब वॉक करने नहीं जा सकते हैं, खाना किस तरह का खाया जाए, जिसको देखो ज्ञान बांट रहा है सोशल मीडिया पे, जैसा प्रद्युत ने कहा, मैं बिल्कुल सहमत हूँ उस बात से, जिसको देखो वो ज्ञान दे रहा है। मगर एक्चुअल में जो बच्चों की हालत हो रही है, जो बड़ों की हालत हो रही है, वो बहुत दयनीय हालत हो रही है। इस फेस को हम कैसे देखें? आपके हिसाब से आप कैसे देख रही हैं? नॉर्थ ईस्ट में किस तरह इस पे रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं लोग?
See, I'm being very optimistic. I know everything has a cause and effect जो बोलते हैं. Nature time will heal. Nature has its own inbuilt mechanism होते हैं. Nature heals. और rest our human ecosystem जो है, I mean this people are insecure. इस तरह के crises जब आते हैं, and they are so nervous, they are like, they go blank, mind goes blank, nothing works. But I believe, I'm being optimist कि जिस तरह से we have to, the power of understanding where we fail, right? अगर power of understanding होते, for example, I was in this free time, I was about to start my shooting, I'm getting a free time to rework on my script, right? Who knows, the film might get Oscar. So my dream is such, so like,
Your previous
and I
one
was
went
just,
for an Oscar, I remember that. Yes, it was an entry to the Oscar.
that's
So
yeah,
we
but
never know what is happening. Adit, here I'd like to ask you one more question, which is very telling after what Lovitas just spoke. That, a lot of us are not behaving in a sensible way as far as COVID warriors are taking all the initiatives, whether it is the doctors, whether it is the healthcare workers. And, we're even hiding the fact that we've been abroad and come back and not telling the Sarkar where we are, not taking the necessary action. How would you like to praise the doctors and, they're working more than angels and gods right now?
See, I'm very thankful not just to the doctors. Let's not forget the police. They are keeping
Yes.
us on the streets. Let's talk about sanitation workers. They're doing a great job. But there is, देखिए, government is doing the job. And I think this is the time that we should have a national government, not a BJP government or a Congress government or a communist government. No one-upmanship. We should have a national government, and we should now think about even getting some media houses online. अगर आप मीडिया हाउसेस को देखेंगे तो वो कहता है कि देखिए आज कोरोना इज लिंक्ड विद रिलीजन। जब से ये निजामुद्दीन में हुआ, उससे पहले इट वाज लिंक्ड टू पीपल फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ईस्ट, ओ चाइनीज कोरोना, एंड पीपल फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ईस्ट वर गेटिंग अटैक्ड। सो देयर आर पीपल हु लुक एट शॉर्ट टर्म गेम, एंड ये शॉर्ट टर्म गेम को आप नहीं खत्म कर सकोगे निधि जी, लोविता नहीं कर सकेगी, मैं नहीं कर सकूंगा। ये शॉर्ट टर्म गेम को गवर्नमेंट को सख्त से कड़ाई से इनके ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा। और जब गवर्नमेंट अपने ही जो उनके चाहते लोग उनके पास नहीं जाएंगे, तब तक वो किसी और के पास भी नहीं जा सकते। ताली दो हाथ से बजती है, पहले ताली अपने हाथ में ही मार दीजिए आप, और तब दूसरे को आप करिए। एंड मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ कि जो हमारे मेडिकल डॉक्टर्स हैं, उनको यू आर कीपिंग देम आउट ऑफ द सोसाइटीज। कहीं में डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर्स में हम नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न को जाने नहीं दिया जा रहा था। दीज आर वेरी नेगेटिव कैंपेन, एंड इसमें इस टाइम आई थिंक सोशल मीडिया शुड बी डूइंग अ जॉब ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी। बट सोशल मीडिया में हमारे पास इतनी हेट्रेड है, बहुत लोगों को इतनी हेट्रेड है कि हम वी आर डिवाइडिंग द वर्ल्ड मोर देन यूनाइटिंग इट। And this is the time where I think the media owners, the social media like Mark Zuckerberg and company, and the governments in different states should clamp down and say that enough is enough. This is the time where we try to stop rumor mongering. ये जो आप hatred देख रहे हैं, ये anarchy देख रहे हैं, it's because of rumor mongering. So that has to be.
Absolutely. We need to fight this together, not fight each other. I totally agree with you. We are fighting each other on social media these days, which is very, very depressing. Lovita, what would you like to say for mental health? A lot of people are feeling very sad because they feel they're going to lose jobs or something wrong will happen to them, or they are away from their parents. As Pradyut said, somebody is in Hyderabad. This is happening in most cities as well, that the lockdown was announced suddenly, and a lot of people haven't been able to come home. So the state of, children in Delhi University, I've been getting so many inboxes that they don't know what to do. They don't know what to eat. Sometimes they're only surviving on chips. आप कैसे देखती हैं सब चीजों को?
Nidhi ji, psychosomatical, overall body, mind, soul, mental health is very important. COVID might not kill. The fear, the psychological after effect जो होता है, it might kill. हम भी यहाँ रह के I'm experiencing suicidal tendencies, डिप्रेशन और इस तरह के जो रेसिज्म हो रहे हैं. अरे आप मर रहे हो. इट्स ए पैंडेमिक. पीपल आर डाइंग. इफ यू गेट कोविड यू आर गेटिंग क्योर्ड बिकॉज इम्यून सिस्टम इज स्ट्रांग. यू आर लकी. बट व्हाट इज दिस स्पीटिंग ऑन आवर पीपल? कोरोना बुलाते. आपका मेंटलिटी कहाँ पे है? which dimension you are? when you will educate yourself, can't you have a beautiful thoughts? हम तो अपना हम we also can do. We are not communal. We love each and everything on earth, and everything is so beautiful. That's my theory. And आप इस तरह के न्यूज़ हमें फ्लैश करते हैं सोशल मीडिया में, spitting on notice girl because they look like corona. Thank God they look like corona. Fear us. We look like corona. If you do evil thing, we'll harm you. This will be my reaction, right? So this is very bad thing happening on earth. And I want everyone to look beautiful and think beautiful. Like even I think negative. But there are good books. I was reading Solitary Reaper, how the poet was observing the Scottish girl who was singing in a field, and because the poet William Wordsworth didn't understand the girl singing, उनका भाषा ही समझ नहीं रहे थे, but he being an English Scottish, वहाँ पे her song melody was making the not only the valley vibrant, also balancing the whole ecosystem. As
Absolutely,
a beauty,
that is the romantic 17th century William Wordsworth, Solitary Reaper. Absolutely,
being romantic.
Bang on. Bang on. So we must think of romance, and we must think of love. We must think of romance with everything. Yes. Romance, life, love,
romance is the vein, and romance जो होते हैं is the emotion का, human emotion and feelings का vein होते हैं. Like you have vein for the blood. Romance is love. Romance नहीं होते. Means you don't have those vein in your blood. Is not running. Your blood is black, not red. Like Bhubagra is
totally agree. Bang on.
Yeah.
What would you like to say here, Pradyut, to the children who are undergoing tough times?
I think romance is a very far-fetched word. There has to be empathy. I think empathy is very important.
And compassion, yes.
Yeah. Yes. Affection, empathy, and that is humanity.
And reaching out to the not so fortunate as us.
And so people who are born with a certain amount of privilege are feeling bored. People who are living day to day are suffering. So I am getting calls on a daily basis, and I feel sometimes helpless, sometimes worthless when I can't help out. So I hope that we can develop a mechanism where people automatically are looked after. My biggest worry, Nidhi, right now is if the lockdown is extended from the 14th onwards. There are people who are still from Northeast, who are in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Tamil Nadu, Delhi. The employers have given them help, but now are telling them to go back. They have to pay rents in their houses. How? They cannot come because the trains are stopped. What do we do of them? And how do we identify genuine cases from the people who are comfortable? तो मेरी चिंता ये है. मेरी चिंता इस समय 14 तारीख के बाद अगर लॉकडाउन एक्सटेंड हुआ तो मैं अपने लोगों को कैसे हेल्प कर सकता हूं, क्योंकि उनका भाड़ा, उनका खाने का, हर लोगों को हम हेल्प नहीं कर सकते. इस समय हमें एक मैकेनिज्म सोचना चाहिए जहां में हम जेन्युइनली दिल से कोई प्रयोजन करें. शायद हम लोग के वी हैव भवन्स. Why don't we open up a bhavans to keep our migrant workers in these bhavans? शायद ये एक सुझाव शायद स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स 5-6 गेस्ट हाउसेस को बुक करके हमारे लोगों को वहां रखे। हाँ, आपका खर्च होगा, लेकिन इससे हमारे लोग थोड़ी सुरक्षित रहेंगे। मैं ये अपील करना चाहता हूँ।
तो आपका जो ये संदेश जरूर पहुंचाया जाएगा, आई एम श्योर अबाउट दैट। मगर यहाँ पे मैं एक और बात आपसे जानना चाहूंगी कि यूएस में जिस तरह से आज सुबह से खबरें आ रही हैं कि 70% आर गोइंग टू लूज जॉब्स, इस तरह भारत में भी डू सी दैट कमिंग थ्रू इन मेनी एरियाज
इंडिया
इन
में
नॉर्थ ईस्ट एज वेल?
ये पूरा हमारे मेरे आप सर्विस इंडस्ट्री को देख लीजिए, सर्विस इंडस्ट्री डूबेगा क्योंकि एयरलाइंस नहीं काम कर रही, कम्युनिकेशन नहीं काम कर रही। इस समय किसी को छुट्टी बनाने का कोई दिलचस्पी भी नहीं। इसके सर्विस में आपके एंसिलरीज हो जाते हैं, आपका लास्ट माइल वो हो जाता है कि किसान जो प्रोड्यूस करता है। इससे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन को आप देख लीजिए, योर इंटायर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इंडस्ट्री विल बी इन ट्रबल। You have your taxi services and you have your tour taxis. They're going to be in trouble. Airlines are going to be in trouble. अगर airlines डूबी तो most of these airlines have taken money, loans from banks. अगर airlines डूबा तो banks problem में आएंगे। अगर banks problem में आए तो ये डोमिनो इफेक्ट होकर सबके पास जाता है। तो ये सब चीज हमें देखना है। आप रिटेल मार्केट देख लीजिए, लोविता इज इन द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, पीवीआर एंड आइनॉक्स एंड ऑल हैव सेवरल रेंटल प्लेसेस अक्रॉस द कंट्री। 2700 स्क्रीन है शायद पीवीआर के पास। वो रेंटल उनको पे नहीं कर सकेंगे। आपके अगर रेंटल पे नहीं हुआ तो जॉब्स जाएंगे, जॉब्स वो भी तो लोन से आए हैं। सो देयर इज अ डोमिनो इफेक्ट जो होने वाला है। तो इसके लिए हमें बहुत चिंता है, लेकिन इस समय हमें ये देखना है कि अगले आने वाले 1 महीने में हम कोरोना को कैसे हरा सकते हैं। इसी के लिए इस समय नेशनल गवर्नमेंट होना चाहिए, ना कि कोई मुझे फोन करता है, मैं तो कांग्रेस में था, तो कोई कहता है कि हमारे कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट अच्छी कर रही है पंजाब में, कोई कहता है कि नहीं हम बीजेपी वाले अच्छे कर। अरे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता। कोरोना किसी का पॉलिटिकल पार्टी देकर नहीं आता है, किसी का जात और धर्म
के दरवाजे के अंदर भी नहीं आएगा, वो अपने आप आ जाएगा, और अगर आ गया तो जिंदा रहने में मुश्किल हो जाएगी।
अगर पूछ के आता तो सबसे पहले पार्लियामेंट में ही जाता। इसके लिए तो वहां भी तो मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो हो रहा है ये हमारे देश के लिए ठीक नहीं है। वी हैव टू कम एज अ यूनिफाइड कंट्री, एज अ यूनिफाइड ह्यूमैनिटी एंड फाइट दिस।
Absolutely, but here I beg to give in my point of view, with your permission, that I would like to say कि देश के प्रधानमंत्री बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और हमें उनके साथ इस समय लीडर की जरूरत इसलिए है कि राह दिखाने के लिए।
निधि, I am agreeing that he is doing a good job.
Yes.
लेकिन इसके लिए मुझे छत में जाकर चांट नहीं करना पड़ेगा।
हाँ,
I agree. I am with my government. This is not the BJP government of India. This is the government of India. I obviously agree. तो ये डिफेंसिव मैकेनिज्म होने का दरकार नहीं है। अमेरिका में आप देखेंगे कि नाउ एवरीबडी इज गोइंग ट्रम्प वर्सेस नॉन ट्रम्प। दिस इज रॉन्ग फॉर अमेरिका, and I think it is, and I think that and even other channels, not yours, Times Now and Republic, should stop targeting a certain community because it is wrong for India. India needs to work together.
The concept of India, yes, I absolutely agree.
So
absolutely.
my point is,
no point is taken, sir.
मैं आपको बोलता हूँ निधि, दिया लगाने का बात, मैं तो हिंदू हूँ, हमारे परिवार तो जब से मैं पैदा हुआ हूँ 6 बजे शाम से हम लोग दिया लगाते हैं। अगर उस दिन भी लगा दिया तो मुझे क्या आपत्ति है, लेकिन उसके बाद रास्ते में निकलकर वो मुख से आग लगाना, I think that is over the top.
Absolutely, I agree on that.
Prime Minister doesn't want. Even the Prime Minister doesn't want. So we all need to be less jingoistic and more practical. That's what I'm saying.
Absolutely. And on that note, I'd like to end by just saying one thing in addition to what you said, that, O light of exceptional glory, enlighten the darkness of our minds. For dark is the path and thou holdest the light. Jai Hind. Thank you for joining us.